Hi, I'm Bert Shore from Landmark Implement, Fairfield, Nebraska.
And I'm Kenny Erickson from Landmark Implement in Minden, Nebraska. And today we're going to go over adjustments and settings for the 6 and 700 series corn heads. On model year 12 and above, for the 600 series corn heads, there is an upgrade called the RowMax Upgrade for the 600 series corn head. Basically, the chain kit that comes with that kit is right here, these plastic guides. And this is another good way to tell what year your corn head is. Previous model years are cast iron. In model year 12, they went to a plastic, which kind of deforms a little bit. With the RowMax chain kit, it converts it over to a steel guide, so it stays straight all the time. And it is an upgrade for the model year 2012 600 series and up.
So in certain conditions, you may want to raise up your ear saver. So all you need to do is lift up, and it'll ride on there like that.
For any further assistance or help, please stop by your local Landmark Implement.